Good afternoon, folks, and welcome. Adrian Amos with Synergy Technical back with another tech tip of the day. Today's question is another one that I've dealt with quite often in the field when delivering immersion experiences or even just online training. It is, how do I prevent my web or my users from getting to websites that I don't want them to? Microsoft has long been out of the proxy services game. There are some options that we can leverage from Cloud App Security, but how do I actually just make sure that they're flat out blocked? And there are actually some capabilities that exist in this space. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and we will explore a little bit of what is here. So there we go. Now, here I have my virtual machine over here with Alan DeYoung browsing as a member of Contoso. And in the background here, you're going to see my in-private session where I'm an administrator in this environment. So I'm Alan DeYoung, and I've decided that today I'm going to go do a little bit of online shopping. I'm going to go to Alibaba.com. Now, Contoso has no actual infrastructure here. Everything is built in the cloud. And you can see right here, it's coming up and saying this website is blocked by my organization. It says that this is happening at Defender Smart Screen. There's no wizardry here. There's nothing happening on the computer that's blocking this. What's actually happening is in my Cloud App Security portal, we have identified a series of risky applications that we don't want our users to work with. So if I go to my Cloud App catalog, and I simply click on my unsanctioned applications, you're going to see that I have a few applications that I've chosen I don't want my users to go to. And all I've literally done is come over here and hit block these applications. In this case, Alibaba, Northland Online Backup. I have nothing against these applications. I just chose them for test purposes. So what I did then was I went into my settings and I chose that my integration with Defender ATP would be such that if I click an app is unsanctioned, it should block it. That then triggers an integration over here to Defender ATP. If I come in and look at my indicators, what happens is that those URLs get added as custom indicators of compromise. You can see I can do up to 5,000 lines here, and simply by choosing Alibaba, it chose separate or created separate instances for each of the known URLs that are associated with that website. Now, in this case, they're all set to trigger a medium severity alert. We can change that. We can run it back down to informational if we want to, but it's also going to block the website. And if I come over to actually look at what just happened here, you're going to see that connection to a blocked cloud application was detected. The event was Alibaba.com right there. The triggering application was Edge. And if I go back over to Alan's email, I'm going to see that there's a notification here that a user was trying to get to this. What makes this really powerful is, again, there's no infrastructure here. So this means that users at home don't have to be connected to VPN in order for us to block access to websites on their devices. And that can be very powerful. Hope you found this one helpful. I'll try again to keep doing one of these every day. If you have something you'd like to see addressed in the future, happy to try to take it on, see if we can figure it out. Please understand, this is not actually intended to be Microsoft's approach to web content filtering. You can see right here in Defender ATP, there is a thing for that, but it's a third-party plugin. So thanks again. Thanks for joining. Have a great beginning of your April, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side of quarantine.